Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn money listening to music. That's right, you can actually get paid to listen to your favorite songs. How it works. There are a few different ways to earn money listening to music. One way is to become a music curator. This means that you would be responsible for listening to new music and providing feedback to artists and labels. You can get paid for this by working for a company like Playlist Push or Music Gateway. Another way to earn money listening to music is to participate in music surveys. These surveys are typically conducted by market research companies who are looking to gather data on people's listening habits. You can get paid for participating in these surveys by working for a company like Music X-Ray or Hit Predictor. Finally, you can also earn money listening to music by becoming a streaming listener. This means that you would be paid to listen to music on streaming platforms like Spotify or Apple Music. The amount of money you earn will depend on how much music you listen to and how many streams you generate. How much can you make? The amount of money you can make listening to music will vary depending on the method you choose. If you become a music curator, you can expect to make anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour. If you participate in music surveys, you can expect to make anywhere from $5 to $10 per survey. And if you become a streaming listener, you can expect to make anywhere from $0.001 to $0.003 per stream. Is it worth it? Whether or not it's worth it to earn money listening to music depends on your individual circumstances. If you love listening to music and you're willing to put in the time, then it can be a great way to make some extra money. However, if you're not a big fan of music or you don't have a lot of time to spare, then it might not be worth your while. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the ways you can earn money listening to music. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the resources I mentioned in the video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you earn money listening to music. Be selective about the companies you work with. There are a lot of scams out there, so it's important to do your research before signing up for anything. Be honest and consistent in your feedback. This will help you build a good reputation and get more work in the future. Be patient. It may take some time to start earning a significant amount of money listening to music. But if you're persistent, you can eventually make a decent side income. I hope this helps.